If I told you I'm sexually active,
Then when she became pregnant, I wanted a daughter. And then once I had a daughter, I never regretted. I was very happy.
everybody should live in with their partner. What do you think of sex before marriage? Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be asking my parents uncomfortable questions that usually no one talks to their parents about. I usually talk to them about everything, but some of these questions even I have never asked them. So let's ask and let's get their reaction on camera. Let's go. The first question is, what would be your first reaction if I told you I was gay?
Cool. Okay, ठीक है. What can I do in that?
You want to do something in that?
No, I can't help. It's okay, ठीक है. Whatever you are, I'll have to accept you like that. That's all.
But will you be disappointed?
Why?
हाँ ठीक है. I thought. Okay, mummy. चीजें बोलो
First
ना.
of all, you can't be gay.
Why?
You can be lesbian.
अरे यार वो सेम ही होता है. Lesbian, you call it gay, it's fine. Okay, my mom will take a lot of time to adjust, as you can see, but that's fine. Next question. What do you think of sex before marriage?
Okay.
ये हर क्वेश्चन पे नहीं चलेगा.
No, it's okay. I mean, what's the big deal?
It's okay, or I think it's necessary.
No, for me it's okay, ठीक है. I mean, we had a courtship for 10 years and then we were married for 26 years. We never had sex before marriage. So I don't feel it's necessary.
Stupid.
not necessary at all. But nowadays,
आपके टाइम पे नहीं होता था? People used.
होता था शायद. But
I think it's necessary.
no,
I think
not necessary.
no.
Not
I
necessary.
think if somebody is getting married and what if like they are not sexually compatible, फिर क्या? फिर तो problem हो जाएगा ना. Do you think everybody should live in with their partner before marrying them?
Sorry?
Nowadays, I think
Live in before marriage.
nowadays I think this is
Yeah, living is a good concept. I believe. More like a marriage without the
Tag.
commitments.
Commitments.
but not more than at least not more than 3 months.
3 months में कुछ
Three-
पता नहीं चलता है.
4 months.
No.
After
One-
that, it
1 to 2
after
years.
that it becomes a habit to stay without any commitments or without anything.
अरे but marriage is not like a task कि करना ही है, करना ही पड़ेगा, साइन करो बस. It's not like that. 3-4 months में कुछ नहीं पता चलता. The point of a live-in is you get to know a person before you get married to them. 3-4 months में क्या पता चलता है about a person?
So how long do you want to stay?
I will to stay for 1 to 2 years.
Huh?
This is what happens, by the way, in our house. Wherever we are discussing, they will say something and then I will say something and then they're just like else. If I chose never to have children, would you be disappointed?
Yes.
Yeah.
Why?
Yes. I want to see my granddaughter.
Grand dog.
Because I love
Granddaughter, grandson, grandchildren.
I love babies. I love to play with them. And I'll miss that.
बस babies और फिर वो बड़े हो जाएंगे तो
बड़े हो जाएंगे तो
And
दोस्त
I
बन
have
जाएंगे
so
जैसे
many
तू मेरा
plans.
दोस्त है. फिर तू बच्ची थी मैं तुझसे डॉल के जैसा खेलता रहा. You have seen your brother also, your cousin brother. I love to play with babies.
यार I can't. Children in this world, what has the world become? Do you think parents should apologize to their children when they're wrong? Big question for my parents.
Sorry, I was reading.
Do you think parents should apologize to their children when they are wrong.
Yes, of course. Why not?
हर चीज का आंसर ऐसे ही देंगे.
Are natural.
But they don't apologize.
I don't know. I have said sorry multiple times.
Dad does. Mummy doesn't apologize.
But mommy said sorry day before yesterday.
Yeah, recently we had a fight in which day before yesterday, first time ever in her life she said sorry to me. Please, first time ever in her life. But नहीं, I mean to say कि ऐसे like you know how we hold children responsible कि if you're wrong बड़ों को apologize करना है, बड़ों के साथ ऐसे नहीं करना चाहिए. Do you think the same rules should apply to elders, parents?
Anybody. In professional world also, if you're senior, you have a junior who is maybe experience-wise, age-wise, position-wise junior to you. If you have done a mistake, you should apologize. You're a human being. Same for parents and children also. If you have done a mistake, you should apologize. It's in human to human. How does the relationship matter there?
Good. Have you ever regretted becoming a parent even for a moment?
No.
Never.
No.
Like
Initial, I was not sure whether I want to become a parent or not. She was the person who was sure. But then when she became pregnant, I wanted a daughter. And then once I had a daughter, I never regretted. I was very happy.
yeah. But ऐसे like if you've had any financial problem ever.
We never had a financial problem. After you came to our life, our financial stability increased.
बस मेरे ही financial problem आ रहा है life में.
Financial problem आ रहा है because your फालतू का खर्चा.
हाँ ठीक है ये मैं नहीं डालूंगी.
If I told you I'm sexually active, would it change the way you see me?
No. How does that matter? I mean, you are more than 21. If you are sexually active, maybe the only thing which I'll tell you is that hope you are cautious. I trust you. Hope you'll never break my trust. That's all.
Trust in what sense?
So I trust you that you will be cautious because you know that there is a societal pressure. In terms of premarital pregnancy. So I'll expect you to be cautious. I'll expect you to be careful. That's all.
There are so many diseases.
Yeah.
That's
all. I'll expect you to be careful. That's all.
But I think at the age of 22, it.
अरे नहीं guys, you whenever you feel ready, I think you should. ऐसा age का नहीं होना चाहिए according to me.
हैं?
अरे मतलब
13 years you feel you are ready, you should.
No, अरे 13 तो बहुत छोटा है यार. After you are 18, I think whenever you feel ready, you should be able.
No,
But
not
who
18.
decides that you become an adult at 18? Government decides. So government decides that you can have sex.
Even actually before
government,
18.
as per government rule, girl should be 21.
ये गवर्नमेंट के रूल के हिसाब से nobody cares. I feel whenever you feel mentally ready to do it, I think you should do it.
There are a lot of people who are mentally, not ready to think.
In
they
the
are
young
mentally ready
in
or
the
not.
young age,
Huh?
in the young age,
So a person who is immature.
no, in the young age, everyone think that I'm ready.
Yeah,
I'm
that's what
ready,
I'm trying
हाँ.
to say.
I'm
ऐसा
ready.
कुछ नहीं है.
If you don't
this
have the
is
maturity to
your
decide
personal,
whether you are-
this is your personal thing that you can resist your
Lust.
हाँ.
I feel like whenever you're mentally ready, you should do it. I don't know what you guys are saying.
How do you know you are mentally ready or not?
Because then if you are confused, then you are not mentally ready. As simple as that. If you are like, oh, am I supposed to be mentally ready? Am I supposed to do it? If you have that confusion, that means you're not entirely ready. When you are completely ready and you want to do it with someone you trust and you have built that rapport with them and you are in a safe environment, why not? When do you think people should start dating?
Dating.
I don't understand the definition of dating. That's the biggest problem.
Arey.
Because for us, we went into a courtship. We didn't have money.
Courtship क्या होता? Nobody will understand courtship.
We decided that we like each other, so we started moving around. We didn't have
That is
money.
dating.
We walked through the streets. Is that dating?
Yeah, that is dating.
That is dating. Without Starbucks coffee, can you imagine dating?
Please, dating.
Without PVR cinema, can you imagine dating?
Yes. Our generation, don't compare generation to generation.
So if dating is not connected to sex, then you should start whenever you like somebody.
Very good answer. This is what I also say. Whenever you feel like, you should start. If I got pregnant before marriage, what would you want me to do?
Seriously.
Arey yaar.
First of all, that's the point where I feel you will break my trust. Because I trust you a lot. For me, whether you're doing a sex or not, with whom you're doing, these are not important because I trust you. I feel that whatever decision you're taking is correct. That shows that you took a wrong decision. That's number one. I'll be upset. However, maybe we'll have to discuss and think through because I'll expect you to, terminate the pregnancy.
Oh my god! It's a dog. Okay.
Expect you to terminate the pregnancy.
Okay.
What's your emotion that we'll also have to understand, we'll discuss and then we'll have to think through.
This brings me to another question which I had not planned. Are you for life or for choice?
I didn't get that question.
So for life in the sense, are you against abortion or for abortion?
I don't feel life is so black and white where you can answer all this.
Exactly.
It depends on situations. Nobody is for abortion. Nobody wants to kill a human being.
No,
But what is the
okay.
situation? It depends
Sorry,
a lot on
I
that.
framed it wrong. So, are you for it being the mother's choice or like the woman's choice, or are you for ki abortion should be banned? It
No,
should
it has
never
to be
happen.
mother's choice. It has to be mother's choice. It depends on where the
It
mother
has
is
to be
becoming.
mother's choice, but
What
I
if a
think
13-year-old girl
Haan.
gets raped and becomes pregnant? Is it
Haan.
mother's choice? No. So it depends on whether the mother has a decision-making capability or not. What's the
Exactly.
situation? That's what I'm saying. That it's not so easy.
it's not
Correct.
so easy thing to answer. If you were not married, I would suggest for every girl, every single ladies, you have to consult your parents at first. Whatever
good-
age you have.
Good
That is
advice.
25, 30, 35, 40.
A lot of people don't have the privilege of telling their parents all of this. What to do then?
Then
If like today, if someone by
I don't
mistake,
know. I don't know who is listening to this, who is watching this. If parents are watching, they also need to understand that you are doing a mistake. Somewhere maybe your relationship with your children
Better-
has to be such that they can open up.
it's better to talk to their child or whatever. Talk to their girl. Talk to their if the girl may become lady also 20, 25, 30, 35, whatever it is. The parents always will be the best person to give any advice. Just
Yeah,
with their
parents always want good for children, but if that parents has not been able to, make their children understand that, then also there is a problem.
last question for today. Do you think there should be this distinction है ना कि fathers should be closer to daughters, mothers should be closer to sons? Yeah, fathers are just usually generally distant from the family. Mothers are very integrated into their children's life. Mothers are scared to tell the fathers some things. You know that usual family dynamic that we hear of in Indian society. Do you think that should exist according to genders, or what brings that on?
I don't feel that is there in our family because me and your mother had almost grown up together. So I believe that trust, that interdependence is so high that we generally share everything with each other. See, father being close to daughter is a different relationship. That doesn't mean that the daughter will come and tell her father that, today I got my first periods. So, I'm not talking about our relationship.
can
We have a
happen
very
also.
different relationship. But I'm
Yeah,
saying
it is.
father and daughter relationship is more a bonding where the father sees, his mother again in the form of a child, and that's why it's like most of the father in Bengali call their daughter as ma. That's because it's a different relationship. Mother and daughter is a different relationship. Mother and daughter is more a friend. Father and daughter, it's more like the compatibility is very, very different. I don't know. I don't have a word to tell how it is. But mother and daughter are more friends. No, our relationship is very
I'll
different. See,
YouTube
what
it.
happens is generally a daughter sees the first male in her father. So it's more like a protection. Anywhere I feel that I need to be protected, she generally goes back to the father, and the father is more like this is like a mother to me. So I need to protect her also, as well as I need to be comfort. I don't know. I'm not able to explain. Your and my relationship is very different because I treated you, whether you are a girl or a boy. I never differentiated how grown up you are. I try to discuss everything with you.
Yeah.
And there is no difference between what I discuss, what your mother discusses, right? So if you need a sanitary pad, it's not that you'll have to tell your mother and she will come and tell you.
Yeah.
You can't directly tell me. So it's a very different relationships which we have built. But it generally,
Genuine.
a daughter and a father. I mean, of course, the daughter will come and ask for cooking if the father is an expert in cooking. But even if that father was great in managing baby, the daughter will go back to the mother and ask her how to manage that baby better than her father.
But do you think, usually what we see that the fathers are little distant from their families in Indian households. Why is that? Because of
nowadays I think
Nowadays,
not in
not
the
there.
family,
Nowadays
every
तो
nuclear
कितना-
family is very joints. I think not like this.
अरे कितना
Normal in normal families. I'm
normal
saying.
families. I to still think, but no idea.
That's because, if a male chauvinistic ego is working in a father, he will feel like that I am the earning member. I have a lot of responsibilities. I can't. So, पहले होता था ना मर्द को कभी दर्द नहीं होता है, मर्द रो नहीं सकता है. उस एंगल से father used to prove that I am more like a stone man. I'm rock solid. I can't show my emotions, and that's why he was getting distance because closeness happens only when emotions opens up. Human connects with emotions. Human doesn't connect with relationship happens through emotions. So, generally, a father used to hide his emotions, and that's why the distance was there.
True. Yeah, I think most families and the families I'm talking about शायद वही होता है अभी भी. Do you all have any questions for me or anything else to say?
No, because we don't ask questions in front of camera. We'll ask it when the camera is off.
Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and if you're watching or if you can show your parents this video, I hope you do, and I hope you take away something from this video as well. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next Sunday. Bye.
Thank you.